I got three of Amazon's most popular fans. They're all portable. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about these. You can't really go wrong with either one of these. I've been using all of them. We went on a bunch of cruises this year. I used two of them on a cruise. I recently just got this one right over here. I've been testing this one. So this one right here is going to be the cruise approved fan. This one right over here is by Warmco, and this one right over here is by Sweetful. So they do have very, very similar types of, in terms of the modes, what they could do, but there is going to be some big differences that will make a big difference for you and which one is the best for you. Let's start with this one right over here. This is going to be the Warmco. Comes in this box right over here, 10,000 mN. This is the most powerful one out of the batch. I'm going to compare all of them later. So, a couple things I really like about this fan right over here is the fact that we got 4 speeds going right over here. To see those 4 speeds, you literally just hit this button just like this, cycle through them. You want to turn this off, you just hold this in just like that. One of the best features of this is, oh, I'll get into that in a second. You can see how much power is left on here. So you'll see there's 86% left. I do like seeing that. And I do like the charger they give you. So to charge this phone, right, to charge the fan, you put this in right over here. And they give you an adapter for both. So if you had a USB-C power block, or a USB-C power block or USB-C, doesn't matter. This charger will work for both, and you could use this fan when it is charging. Now, in terms of battery life for this one is pretty sweet. You could go 24 hours on the lowest speed, and you could go up and about 12 hours on the highest speed. And you could use it while it's charging. So, when we were on the cruise, we literally plugged this into the charging block and it just ran all night. And when we woke up, it was at 100%. We never had to worry about it, which is really nice. There is no timer on this one, but with that long battery life, it kind of really doesn't matter. And the fact that you could use it plugged in kind of doesn't matter at all. Next up, we're going to go with this Sweetful one right over here. This one could go 4 speeds as well. This one is a little different. It's going to operate on the USB plug right over here. So it has to be plugged into a USB block in order to use it. So that's just something to note. There is no battery life when it comes to this. This can rotate 360 and turn all which ways. It can be mounted on whatever you want. You can see right over here, it does have these like little feet right over here. So you don't have to worry about it scratching anything. To kind of cycle through this, you just hit these just like that. And when you get to 4, if you hit it again, it shuts off. If you're at 2 and want to shut it off, you literally just hold it in and it's super easy. You're good to go. You got the 4 speeds. It goes 360. It's super quiet. This is probably the most compact fan of the group. It will have to be plugged in to a USB block though. Let's roll to the last one and then we'll do the comparison. So this is going to be the Cruise approved fan. This is what this one looks like. It has the 2000 AMA. This one has, I don't know, a little bit more bells and whistles maybe. This right over here, it comes with a hook and it is magnetic. So if you are going on a cruise, this could be a better fit for you because it comes with this little hook for you. Comes with this charger right over here. We have other chargers, so we don't really use the charger. This goes 6 different speeds. So you'll see right over here, to kind of rotate in and out of those speeds, you can just hit it just like that. Um, and then the other part about this, you have a timer on this. So if you hold this button in right over here, you'll see that kind of goes over there. And then you could do up to 6 hours if you wanted to do a timer on this. The battery life on this one is a little shorter just because it is not as, doesn't have as much power as the other one. So you could go on the full speed, like the lowest speed for, I would call it maybe, I found about 10-ish hours. On the highest speed, it was probably more closer to 6. So that was kind of my experience with it. So that's that. So now let's take all of them together. So couple different things here. This, let's just do it in terms of size. These two are going to be your smallest right over here. So if you're short on size, you might want to go with one of these. This one is really not that big. It's super skinny. This is the most powerful one. If you're looking for a fan that's super powerful, I would really suggest this one. Out of the bunch right over here in terms of execution. So this one right over here, this is going to be great if you are just sitting at a desk and you'll have it plugged in all the time. You don't really care about bringing it anywhere. You could bring it somewhere, but you need a power bank to operate it. So just note that. So that's going to be this one right over here. That would probably be perfect for you. I would say this one would be good for you if maybe you're going to be in tight quarters, you're going to be on a cruise or something like that. You do get the magnetic hook with this one right over here, and also the charger. This one just not as powerful. If you're looking for a powerful fan, super portable, could be taken with you. I mean, this one could take with you wherever and it will work. I would say this one's for you. This battery life on this thing is kind of crazy. You go 24 hours on, you know, speed 1 and up to 12 hours on speed number 4. This is just super slim. I do love the fact that you get this cable, because no matter what charging block you have, you don't have to worry about that. This is the only one that has both, which I particularly like because it doesn't really matter where you are, because someone usually has a charger. Can't really go wrong with either one of these. Just gonna be personal preference. I hope you found this video helpful and you find the right fan for you. Real quick, the Sweetful is gonna be for you if you just want it plugged into something. These two are going to be for you if you want something portable. If you're looking with something with a longer battery life, the Warmco will be for you. If you're not really too concerned about battery life, I would say the Cruise Approved one is for you. Give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I hope you get the right fan for you.